January starts the brand new year, cold white snow and winter cheer. We wear our coats and hats so tight, frosty mornings, days so bright. February comes with smiles and love, hearts and hugs and stars above. Short and sweet it passes by, waiting softly, hi goodbye. March brings breezes, wind whooshes past. Winter's hold won't always last. Raindrops tap on window panes, little buds wake up again. April showers drip and splash, boots go stomp and puddles crash. Clouds roll by, then sun appears, laughter, rainbows, happy cheers. May brings flowers everywhere, pretty colors fill the air. Bees go buzzing, birds sing loud, sunshine smiles from every cloud. June says summer's almost here, school days end, hooray and cheer. Playtime stretches, days grow long, jump, run, laugh and sing the song. July shines with warm, bright days, fireworks light the night in sprays. Red and blue and silver light, oohs and ahs fill up the night. August feels both slow and sweet, barefoot days and sandy feet. Ice cream drips, the sun says stay, lazy, lovely summer days. September brings backpacks and books, learning time and reading looks. Leaves begin to change their hue, green turns gold and orange too. October whispers boo and boo, pumpkins grin and owls go hoo. Crunchy leaves beneath our feet, autumn air is cool and neat. November teaches thanks and care, sharing kindness everywhere. Family, friends and food we share, grateful hearts show how we care. December sparkles, soft and bright, twinkling stars light up the night. Snowflakes dance and year says bye, waving gently as time flies. 12 months round, from start to end, sing them all, then sing again. Round and round the year will go, learning months as we all grow.